Hello everyone. Today's session is basically based upon inserting data, creating from the PowerShell script, and loading that data into the uh, database in a table. So using the BTEQ. So this is the continuation of my previous video where I had created a script in which it will create a CSV file at this path files.csv and creating these three column values: integration name, file date, and business date. And this will get each file in a directory and creating a CSV file. I'll repeat this one. Okay. This will get the base name of the file without a extension, and then split the name into substrings. Like if you see the files, these are the three files. It will get the base name without the extension, and then it will split these files on hyphen. This is the separator. So and this number will represent how many chunks it will be divided. So it will be in 4 parts: 1, 2, 3, and this one is 4. And this index represents uh, out of these 4 parts which one you need. So in my case I'll need this one is 0th index part, this one is 1, this one is 2nd, and this one is 3rd. So I need a first index, so that is why here is 1. And comma, and the second value will be the 3rd part of each file. 3rd is 0, 1, 2, and this date. So this will be inserted into file date column. And in my business date I am getting the current date using the get dash date function in PowerShell. And in the last line it will add all the file names into the files.csv file. Now I have to write a script to load this CSV file into a database. For this, first I have to write a logon statement in order to log in my database. My username, this is my password, and this is the delimiter. This will be comma delimiter file, CSV. So here I have to write a comma, and from where to get this file. This file, okay, here the file will be located at this path, so I'm importing the file from here. varchar 24 file date varchar 24 and business date. Varchar 24. And then inserting into my table. The table name is info underscore files and the values occupation name, the same for the next ones. And then at the end we have to log off from the database. And this is my BTEQ script in a variable $BTEQ dot logon server name, username, password, where to import the file. This is the path, and these are my column names and inserting into info files, and these are my variable names. So now uh, in order to call this BTEQ variable, BTEQ pipe sign, then and one more thing, uh, when you execute this script it will generate a text file, so your code will be saved in a text file. For this you can mention here or declare a variable output and where you want to store your text file on the similar path. And with the name file underscore test.txt, and write the output in this file. For this dollar %1, save this file. Now this will generate a CSV file, and this will insert data into the info underscore files. So this is okay. Delete the data. Now you see there is no data. I'm going to execute the script using PowerShell. To execute the script, we have to write double dots with a space, single dot, then space, another dot, slash, and the file name. And the file name is test underscore file dot ps1. And there's an error. The BTEQ is not recognized as the commandlet. Let's see what is the error. BTEQ on which line? Can try this. Okay, there was a space issue. So again, first delete this file, go and truncate your table. See, there is no data. Now execute the script. File is generated here with the name files, and here you can see data. Database, select all from this, and the data is inserted in some sort of anomalies, but data is inserted into table. So that's it from today. We have successfully inserted data into the table. Please like and share my video, and any suggestions, do comment. Thank you.